To know how to get an almost 80% discount in a limited time offer available in Mixo, make sure you watch this video till the very end. If you don't know what Mixo is, then in simple terms, it is an AI tool that allows you to make websites using text prompts. To get this discount, click on the first link given in this video's description and follow along with me. If you don't have an account, click here on Get Started for free and create an account. I already have an account, so I will click on Login. Click on Sign in with Google. Select the Gmail ID and click Continue. I can see the website that I made earlier. I can simply click Upgrade here. Or you can click here on your profile and click Pricing. Click on See Pricing and we can see the different pricing plans offered by Mixo. You can see here, limited time offer, save up to 50% with annual billing, and we can still get more discount. To get this discount, make sure you have selected annual billing on the top. Compare the benefits provided by each plan and select any plan. As this is a very high discount, I will select the premium site. We will be redirected to the payment page. On the left, we have the option to add a promotion code. Click on it, type WB Explainer, and click Apply. You can see that we have received a 30% discount, and we already received a 50% discount by using the limited time offer, making it an almost 80% discount. You can now enter the remaining details on the right and complete your payment. If you want to know how to use Mixo AI, you can check the video on the left. If you want to know about an amazing AI tool that allows you to write SEO optimized content, check the video on the right. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such AI related videos. Thanks for watching.